Sharing something controversial today and letting you know that buying from fast fashion brands is not a problem. But this is a problem. This constant need to buy, you're going on a vacation, you have a work meeting, you're going on a wedding, and you almost always have nothing to wear. Then you look at this multiple influencer hauls and you feel the need to have every single piece that you see. That is the problem. My skirt is from a slow fashion brand, Jody Life, and then my top and my jacket are from fast fashion brands. My this top is also from fast fashion brand, but if you look at this jacket, I've worn it more than 30 times because the quality of the jacket is good. This sari again with a fast fashion brand top, nothing in this is from slow fashion brand. The number one reason that people constantly buy is because they have nothing to wear. And if you are that person who has nothing to wear every single time you open your wardrobe, then the basic problem is the wardrobe. Buying from fast fashion brands or slow fashion brands is highly dependent on your budget or your capacity to spend or the value that you find in slow fashion brands. So I'm not saying that you cannot buy fast fashion brands and you only have to buy slow fashion brands, but you cannot buy fast fashion brands constantly because you feel they are cheap and you constantly want to look trendy. It's not going to take you anywhere. You need to create a story with your wardrobe, otherwise you're going to feel so lost with no personal style and don't know what to wear always. If you